35 self-improvement tips for teenagers. 1. Set goals, create clear, achievable goals. 2. Read books, expand your knowledge. 3. Exercise, maintain physical health. 4. Eat healthily, follow a balanced diet. 5. Get enough sleep, prioritize rest. 6. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. 7. Limit screen time, reduce digital consumption. 8. Learn new skills, acquire diverse abilities. 9. Stay organized, keep your space tidy. 10. Practice gratitude, appreciate what you have. 11. Volunteer, give back to the community. 12. Develop hobbies, explore interests. 13. Improve communication, enhance social skills. 14. Be positive, maintain a hopeful outlook. 15. Manage time, prioritize tasks effectively. 16. Seek feedback, learn from others. 17. Practice mindfulness, stay present and aware. 18. Budget finances, manage money wisely. 19. Declutter, keep your environment organized. 20. Be consistent, maintain steady habits. 21. Stay curious, keep a learning mindset. 22. Network, build meaningful connections. 23. Be resilient, overcome challenges. 24. Seek balance, manage different aspects of life. 25. Embrace failure, learn from mistakes. 26. Stay true to yourself, be authentic. 27. Stay motivated, keep inspired. 28. Develop self-discipline, maintain self-control. 29. Respect others, value different perspectives. 30. Stay calm, manage stress effectively. 31. Practice empathy, understand others' feelings. 32. Be adaptable, adjust to changes. 33. Value education, appreciate learning opportunities. 34. Stay informed, keep up with current events. 35. Believe in yourself, have confidence in your abilities.
you.